Hey, this is Marjorie Wildcraft, and on this edition of Homesteading Basics, I'm going to show you a very simple way to organize all those tools for those projects that are far away from the barn. So there are a lot of times when I have projects where I have a lot of pieces that need to be kept track of, and I'm going to be heading out. Like I'm heading out to the orchard, I got all the PVC parts and the glue for repairing the irrigation system, or I'm headed out to the back 40 and I got all the pieces for fixing the fencing. You know, there's always a lot of bits and pieces, and actually today I'm just about to go out into my orchard and do some pruning of fruit trees. And let me show you a real simple way that I keep track of all that stuff, because as you know, if you lay a tool down on the ground, it disappears, right? I mean, and I have even tried those bright orange handled ones. They still disappear. I don't know why anybody would ever buy tools with camouflage handles. That's absolutely ridiculous. But what I do when I want to organize my tools is I just keep them in a 5-gallon bucket. And I got everything in here. You know, I've got my hand tools, my small ones. I've got, you know, my bigger tools. Everything fits in there. I'm even going to have the water that I dip the tool to clean it in, because when you're pruning, you want to clean the tools regularly so you don't transfer diseases. Very simple. Just have it all in a bucket that you can then take with you anywhere. Whenever you get done with a tool, put it back in your bucket. You won't lose anything. So simple, so easy. This is one of the best ways that I've found to keep track of that stuff when you're far out on the back 40. This is Marjorie Wildcraft, and meet you up next week with another tip on Homesteading Basics.